Good morning. I'm Peter Milios from the Finance News Network. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq Composite jumped Thursday as investors cheered the latest quarterly results from Nvidia, fueling a rally in technology stocks. Those moves also came as US debt ceiling talks appeared to progress. The tech-heavy Nasdaq popped 1.71% and the S&P 500 climbed 0.88%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average dipped 0.11% and closed below its 200-day moving average. Nvidia shares surged 24.4% a day after the company posted stronger than expected revenue guidance and reported beats on the top and bottom lines in the recent quarter. Exploding demand for Nvidia chips used in artificial intelligence underpinned the quarterly beat. Several analysts covering Nvidia hiked their price targets on the stock following the results. Nvidia's surge brought the chipmaker within striking distance of a $1 trillion market capitalization. Other semiconductor stocks and artificial intelligence names followed Nvidia's lead. Advanced Micro Devices and Taiwan Semiconductor soared 11.1% and 12% respectively. The VanEck Semiconductor ETF popped 8.6% to close at its highest level of the year. The fund hit a new 52-week high earlier in the session. Alphabet and Microsoft added 2.1% and 3.9% respectively. Elsewhere, negotiations to raise the US debt ceiling continued, with the default deadline quickly approaching. Talks between congressional leaders and President Joe Biden advanced Thursday, according to a report from Reuters, which said both parties merely need to agree on $70 billion in spending. Uncertainty around the talks pressured equities this week, with the Dow and S&P 500 on track for weekly losses of 1.98% and 0.97% respectively. The Nasdaq is up 0.32%. In commodity news, BHP Group remains optimistic about a recovery in China's property market, expecting it to boost metals demand despite current economic indicators, and anticipates improved conditions in the second half of the year, with the full impact of government stimulus measures not being felt until 2024. And in breaking news, Ford Motor will partner with Tesla on several charging initiatives for its current and future electric vehicles in an unusual tie-up between the two rivals, CEOs of the automakers announced on Thursday. The design will allow owners of the vehicles to charge at Tesla's superchargers without an adapter, making Ford the first to do so. Overall, US sectors were mixed. On the back of the Nvidia news, tech was the best performer, whilst energy was the worst. The SPY futures are pointing to a 0.1% fall. Have a great weekend.